Rude Miners in the mix.
Alright, what's up everyone? I know I haven't been uploading in the past month, but from now on I'll try to upload once a week. Anyways, we're going to be doing a low fade with a little bit off the top. So I'm going to start my first guideline with the T outliners. Keep in mind we're doing a low bald fade, so we're not trying to go too high up. We want to keep that C cup pretty dark, so just don't go too high up. After creating your first guideline, just flip the clipper over and start balding it out. Alright, right here I'm taking my Andis shavers and I'm just shaving the rest of the hair. Please don't go all the way up or else you're just going to create another harsh guideline that is going to be really hard to take out. So for this haircut I'm going to be using the Gold FX, the Babyliss Gold FX. And right here I'm just going up half an inch with the no guard open. Just make sure everything's symmetric so you can have a consistent fade. Alright, so in my opinion, this is the most important guideline you have to get rid of. So you have to make sure you fade this guideline very neat. Alright, so I'm closing the lever little by little, maybe a fourth of the way every time. And after you're done with everything, you can use the lever freely to do some detail work. Alright, so as you saw right there, I'm using the one guard close and I'm just going up like a half an inch. Alright, so here I'm just going with the zero guard close and I'm just flicking out. Please make sure you're flicking out or else you're just going to be creating another guideline instead of fading into the one guard close.
Brood miners in the mix.
Alright, on top of the 1 guard closed, I'm going with the 1.5 guard open. I'm going up about maybe 1/3 of an inch. To get rid of that middle line, I'm just going with the 1 guard open and fading up to the 1.5 guard open. Sometimes the 1 guard open doesn't get rid of it completely, so you're gonna have to close the lever a little bit or open it a little bit more. Alright, so our final guideline is going to be created by using the 2 guard open. We're just going up like 1/2 inch. To fade all the way up to the 2, we're just going to use the 1.5 guard and do some detail work. So my client wanted a 1/4 of an inch off the top, and I'm just starting from the front and going all the way to the back. To fade from the 2 guard all the way up to the long hairs he has on top, we're using the clipper over comb method right here. This method helps get rid of bulk and overhang hair. Alright, onto the hairline. I use my duck clips to clip the hairs up just to make sure no hairs are getting in the way. And the way I do my hairlines is I start from the middle and go to the side, and I go back to the middle and then go to the other side.
Rude Miners in the mix.
Alright, so with my C cup, I start from one end and then go to the other end and then connect them in the middle. Alright, so onto the straight razor. There isn't very much to it besides pulling the skin and angling your razor blade. Alright, so right here we're just putting some color enhancement. The cut didn't really need it, but we'll put some anyways. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more haircut tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you could please follow me on Instagram, that would be great. PC everyone, PC.